Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray. I'm going to show you how to make a flipbook with EasyFlipBook. This is going to be EasyFlipBook review. We're going to do a demo and we're going to talk about a really cool bonus I put together for this. Just exactly this one. This is a very cool bonus. If you're into affiliate marketing, this is a great way to basically put up a flipbook in seconds that you're going to be able to make money from over and over and over and over again. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Sorry, I am totally under the weather right now. Our house got hit with a cold. This is week 3 now. Now it's going through me. Anyway, so this is EasyFlipBook. This is a really cool app. I was a little bit reluctant to review it, but I went in. I thought I was, I was downstairs actually, and I was like, I wonder if it'll do this. So then I went and tried it, and it does it. So that's really cool, and that's why I came up with this bonus. So first off, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Now, if you're not sure what flipbooks are, just cool, guys. You put it on your website. You can send it to someone. They're just it's like it's a flipbook, right? It's a total flipbook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over. I'm going to show you the demo. It's about 10 minutes long. Watch the demo, and then I'll come back and we'll go through and I'll show you my bonus that I'm going to get you. If you want to go pick it up, grab it below. It's a great product. If you're doing any kind of marketing, this is definitely one of those tools that you're going to want to have. You know, you create some content, not only have it as a PDF, but have it as a flip book as well, which is very cool. All right, so let's jump over to we're gonna watch this. So let me get on the right screen here. Oh, that's not me. I want this. There we go. Okay, so this is going to be the demo. So we'll just play this through. Here, I'll jump off. I'll get out of the way there. And so we'll just watch this demo, and I'll be right back. So just be patient. If not, if you want to sort of watch some of it and then scoot to the end, and I'll go through it with you, and then I'll show you my bonus. Okay, guys. Cheers. thing I'm going to pause it. It's basically it just shows you how you can make it out of different different content like PDF, um, text, images, all that kind of stuff. So what was interesting to me about this is like I was thinking, okay, that's cool. It makes it into Flipbooks, but does it take the links in? So I want to show you guys. I actually went in and I uploaded and I'm going to give you guys this as a bonus. I uploaded my cheetah method. Okay. And basically it turned into a flipbook. But this is what's so cool, guys. Guess what? These links. So the whole thing about the cheetah method, just so you know, it's a PDF that you give someone and it has all your affiliate links in it, and you can make thousands of dollars from it. The programs in here, literally, there's thousands of dollars worth of commissions in this book that you can give away. I'm giving it to you. You change it to your affiliate links, and then guess what? When you make it into a thing, all the links are active, guys. So, now a legendary marketer, you can join for free now and be an affiliate. I highly recommend getting the business builder package. Like, it'll help you so much. Perpetual income, you can have the full program for a few $100, and then you just make a ton of commissions on it. I'm on the top of the leaderboard every month on that one. Super Funnel Hero, George Wickens. This is John Thornhill's. These are high ticket stuff, but guess what? They all work. You can actually promote your Clickfunnels through here. You just click on this, boom, and guess what? It takes you to the affiliate link. It's so cool that it does this, okay? So this is what I love about it. So as a bonus, I'm going to give you the cheetah method, guys, so you can put all your own affiliate links in here and have it as your own, and it'll be awesome. So that is the cheetah, the flipbook. What else is there? Let's see, the OTOs. So the front end is preloaded with 2,000 ebooks. So guys, that's a ton for $17. You can have 2,000 ebooks you can give away. Remember now, if you take these ebooks, break them out of the PDF or whatever you want to do, or copy them out of the PDF and put affiliate links in it, it will work with that. Unlimited, you can create as many ebooks as you want. Remember, you guys can do go on Fiverr and make ebooks for people with this. Flipbooks, you can do 100% profit. So branding removal. So if you want to do that, that's for the $47 upgrade for the unlimited. For advanced, place a fancy opt-in form on your Flipbook so you can actually get subscribers. That's a very cool feature. OTO3, marketplace builders. So one-click freelancer marketplace builder, auto-loaded with 25,000 done-for-you gigs under different categories. That's cool. Profit stream, add and upsell creates completely automated and done-for-you book affiliate websites loaded with 90,000 ebooks. It's free hosting, physical books, and audiobooks. That's cool. It creates a library for you, basically. Agency, create unlimited Flipbook accounts for your clients. Yeah, so that's what it is. All right. We can jump back on here. Not that. I need to go to this. All right, guys. So that is my review of Easy Flipbooks. What are my thoughts about it? I think it's very cool. I think it's a really super cool product. It's called Easy Flipbook. My affiliate link is down below. You want to pick it up. So how it would happen if you grab the front end from me in the bonuses. So it's on Warrior Plus, and when you go to access your product, like access products here, you'll say bonuses. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to a page that will give you all the information on the cheetah method, how you use it, and how you grab it, and all that kind of stuff. So that's it. This is a super easy way to make flip books. Very, very cool. It kind of, it's sort of a no-brainer. It's just another marketing tool that you can use. And remember, you could just litter your website with all these cool flip books that people can download, right? So, people go, oh, click the PDF. Yeah, sometimes a PDF is boring, but if you take them to a page that has a flip book that they're able to read through, maybe you could also say, flip book or PDF, so they have the choice on your website. It's just more interaction, guys. It's more clicks that they're doing on your website. Especially if the flipbook is on your website, then they're spending more time on the website, right? So they're going to spend more time on your website. Google's going to go, oh, look at, they're spending time on the website. That website must be important because that person is spending time reading content on that website. So it just gives you all this Google juice. So highly recommend it. Very cool product. Rick, who made it, very cool. I'm very impressed with it. It works like it's supposed to work. There's no sort of hidden bells and whistles. It works how it's supposed to work, and it's a cool. And I see that I haven't even gone into the back office, the whole thing, but like the library, the affiliate settings, there's bonuses, upgrade. There's a ton of stuff in there that I didn't even go through. I just want to show you what the base product does, and then there's a ton of stuff in there. So I would go run and pick this up, grab the front end, and I'm sure you'll be happy with it. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to hit subscribe. Make sure you're playing my Guess the Song game. Watch for my shorts. I've started doing this like this because I don't know if you guys know, I used to be a musician, and I just thought of a fun way to sort of generate some traffic and play a game is I do a little snippet, like 15 to 30 seconds of a song, and I go, hey, guess this song. And it's fun. People are on there guessing, and lots of wrong guesses, good guesses, funny guesses, and it's just fun. So I get to keep my guitar chops up. I'm not the best guitar player, guys. I was a bass player, but I can play a little. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.